So here it is. I'm calling this one Safire. It's blue, and we've had the gem kind of theme going so far with Emmy and Ruby, and this one's blue, so we decided Safire. So as you can see, it's all stock. 1989 Bronco Custom with a 5.0 automatic. This truck is exactly what Broncos looked like mostly in Colorado. If you bought a Bronco, a lot of times it was for on the horse ranch or on the ranch itself or on the farm, and used it to maybe take a hay bale out, pull the horse trailer, whatever it was. But this is what they looked like. It's got mud flaps on it. My guess is that when they were new, that they said Colorful Colorado on them, and I'm going to put that back on. I think that'll be pretty cool. But this is what they look like. It's so cool that I found this one. The story goes is that there was a lady who bought it new and used it for that, pulling horse trailer, running around with it, and got really old and sold it to a guy, or actually traded it for some work at their house, and cried when it left. It's got 74,000 original miles, original hubcaps. Under the hood, it's been, you know, when repairs have been done, it was done well, instead of like some of the other Broncos I have, which are just cobbled and pieces missing. This one starts and runs like a brand new truck. It's amazing. Strut radius arm bushings are bad, so it follows the road. And of course, there's some oil leaking out of the bottom because it sat for a while. But we'll address all those things and get this one up and running. There was a couple little spots of rust, but not as much as normally. So I have one of them there cut out, and we'll repair that and see what we want to do. Put a paint job on it. It's got blue interior with a bench seat. That's really a stripped model. Custom is the lowest level. I think the later years they called it XL. It has rubber floor mats, no tack. You know, it has air conditioning, but that's about the only power option that it has. Bench seat, and as I'll point out to anybody who's young and doesn't know, it's the high beam switch is on the floor. And so it's pretty cool. Everything works. The stereo was bad, so I swapped out a stereo, but the back window works. Oh yeah, well, I guess the AC doesn't work, but we'll get that working. So this is the latest one. Listen to this door, just like it sounded brand new. It's amazing. It's just amazing. I love this truck.